badam. Give it up, missing. Them should not do me, them should not do me, and them should not do me, them should not do me. Them should not do me, them should not do me, them should not do me, them should not do me. Come, the other day, come, me make a walk, come, in a delay, come, me make a stop, come, me and a fat thing, listen and a chat, come, yes when me say, come, no pay a cap, come, suit with them in a come, red and black, come, at me foot, come, them make a stop, come, in a me face, come, me get a box, come, in a me eye, come, I tap fat, come, in a me chest, come, in a me back, come, in a me chest, come, red up! Love it up!
Okay guys, so I'm coming to you from the grounds of Meadowrest Memorial Gardens here in St. Catherine, and I will be showing you the grave of Red Jagan. Y'all remember Red Jagan, right? All on a bed from morning, run a whole of fresh. And all maga gal, Red Jagan have a nickname for them. Yeah man, so that's Red Jagan. And I'll be showing you where he is buried because I'm here at Meadowrest Memorial Garden. That's simply called Meadowrest. Before I show you Red Jagan's grave, I had made a small video of him, so I'm just gonna play that video again. So here is a little information about Red Jagan before I take you to his grave at Meadowrest Memorial Gardens. Red Jagan was a Jamaican recording artist who was industrious, comical, and lyrically talented. Born on Friday, March 18, 1966 in Kingston as Leroy May, he grew to find his passion in the music industry. During the 1980s, he DJ'd on several sound systems. He recorded many dancehall songs, including his first hit, Whole Afresh. He also started his own record label and moved into production, helping to nurture the early careers of artists such as Buju Banton. His music career continued at its peak throughout the 1990s and, though later less popular, would continue until near his final years. Red Jagan died from heart failure in 2015 at the University Hospital of the West Indies. He was age 49. So what is your favorite Red Jagan song? Many women who are slim would be like, yeah, he called us all kukumkum. And then for those of you who don't like to bathe, have a bath, here's a song for you. All on a bathe from morning, run go bowl of fresh. He was comical, he was entertaining, he was a very interesting person to go to a stage show and listen to. Yes, very interesting. And here in Meadowrest Memorial Garden, we find his grave. And this is the grave of Red Jagan. You won't see Red Dragon here. Sometimes they'll put the name of the artist stage name, but it's not here. His name is Leroy May, as you have seen in that small clip that I showed you. And it says, Leroy May, God called him home, it was his will, but in our hearts he liveth still. So this is the grave of the man, Red Dragon. Very entertaining. Very entertaining. So I'm glad to show you his grave here in Meadowrest Memorial Gardens. Now, all of you who haven't got a fresh, it's time now to go and go on a fresh. Oh my God, I know Leroy May, Red Dragon would be saying something like that. He would have a lyrics for you, you know. Something like, now you see me grave, now you have to give. I know. I'm not a DJ, but I know he's very comical and he can make up lyrics on the spot. So in a serious way, we honor the man, Leroy May, who had contributed significantly to dancehall music here in Jamaica. And he is now, well, his body is now resting at Meadowrest Memorial Garden here in St. Catherine. Thank you guys. I think one of you requested one of you requested this. I don't remember which of you subscribers requested this. So you have seen the grave of Red Dragon. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Oh yeah.